What is quantity surveying? It deals with estimating and managing the construction cost project. It takes into account each material, resource, and equipment needed in every property development project. Quantity surveyors work out the estimated cost at the start of the project and continue to keep watch on the costs as the project progresses. 3. Most requirements for calculating quantities. 1 drawing, 2 specifications, 3 unit rates. 1 drawing. From the drawing, we can determine the quantity of any structure. A drawing is essential to calculate the quantity of a structure. In the specification. To know the quantity of a structure, we also need to know its specification. Without specification, the actual construction of the structure cannot be carried out. For example, if we are constructing a slab, then we need to know the size of that slab, its thickness, and the type of material used in it. Similarly, for other structural members, columns, beams, slab, etc., we need to know their ratio and the materials used. If the specification of materials such as steel, cement, sand, etc. is not provided, the exact quantity cannot be determined. That is why, along with the quantity, specification is always necessary. 3 unit rates. When the quantity of a structure is known, then its bill of quantity BOQ is prepared. To prepare a BOQ, we also need the unit rates of materials, steel, crush, sand, cement, etc. If we know the unit rate of each item, then by multiplying it with the quantity, we can easily calculate the total amount of the structure.